I absolutely love magic and need to stop buying cards. These are three of my favourite simple card tricks: the mental photography, Svengali and Brainwave. We'll leave that for when my other half's back. Can you guess how these are done? So, I was pretty disappointed with this deck when it arrived, because it turned out that none of the cards had actually been printed. And you know what? I thought it's a novelty to have a completely blank deck of cards like this, but I have actually paid for them, so I'd feel a bit cheated. And the weirdest thing, when I looked closer, it was only actually the top cards that wasn't printed, and I actually had a full deck of cards all along. It's just that the optical illusion was so strong that I couldn't actually see the rest of the cards when that blank one was there. And you'll see, as soon as it's back on, the power of the mind is so great that you literally can no longer see that you've got any cards at all. Speaking of optical illusions, check this out. I love this deck. There's so many variations and options. So nothing to show, it's a deck of cards, blah blah blah, and again, there's nothing really exciting to illustrate here. Now, even though I'm going to do this myself, you'll understand that the trick does work still. So you can have a riffle through and get someone to stop or cut the cards, whatever. We'll take this as our chosen card at a random point, the 7 of clubs. Now just watch this. You can see, unobscured by the camera, that that is the very card, the 7 of clubs. It is right there, you can literally see it. But then, as if by magic, and I go, woo! It should have jumped to the top. Yes, lovely stuff. So there you go. But here's the weirdest thing. If we put that on the bottom, and then, if I try and pick everything up without going out of shot here, if we try and melt that card through the entire deck, you'll see it was an easy trick because it was never anything other than the 7 of clubs. Cool stuff, I love that trick. Okay, sorry about the audio issue here. I realised after recording this with my other half, I hadn't actually plugged the receiver of the microphone back into my phone. So I got her to name a random card. Well, I had the box closed in my hands in front of her. She said the 7 of hearts, and as if by magic, the only card that is flipped upside down in the entire deck is the 7 of hearts. But here's the real magic when we take it out. Oh, wait for it. It's from another deck with a blue back. So this is a great effect and a really simple trick. However, I just, for the sake of doing the video, did it a second time, and I sort of had to get lucky for this to work. So I asked her again, and she said the 3 of diamonds. Now, if you know why that was a lucky stroke. However, I'm just doing this all in an unbroken shot, so you can see it wasn't a set-up job. But of course, I didn't realise at this point the audio wasn't actually recording. So you can see there was nothing there before, and now, as if by magic, the only card that's the right way up is the 3 of diamonds. And I'm sure, after examining the cards there further, you're about to know exactly what's going to happen. They're both blue-backed. Whoa, now that's magic. So those are 3 of my favourite simple magic tricks. Please follow me and check out my other videos. I do loads of these simple magic tricks. I'm no expert, but they're good fun, and it's real high pressure trying to do them with a camera zoomed in and not give the secrets away. Thanks for watching.